Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Equals Bitcoin cash cost gauge proposes a chance of BCH exchanging between $892.81 to $1,075 in 2025, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The really current market cost of one Bitcoin Cash certainly is $451.01, which truly is genuinely critical. In a bullish situation, Bitcoin Cash could outperform the $295.49 mark for 2050, displaying fundamentally likely vertical energy, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Experts project a bullish pattern for Bitcoin Cash in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $6 to $971 mark, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash BCH for the most part is determined to basically arrive at a typical cost of $139.25 toward 2040 in a very enormous manner's end. Starting around 04 Walk 2024 Bitcoin Cash most certainly is exchanging at $451.01 in term of its est rate with a value change of 136% in most. Certainly most recent 1 hour in a kind of enormous manner. BCH generally has a complete market cap of $866, 605, 411 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $287, 394, 318, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. This truly makes Bitcoin Cash BCH positioning at 17 in the cryptographic money market, or so they in every way that really matters thought. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitcoin Cash cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash especially be worth in 2024, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Is Bitcoin Cash a truly wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge? Will BCH cost outperform its record-breaking certainly high in an unobtrusive manner? These generally are our Bitcoin Cash cost expectations for BCH's future, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation 2024 as per the Bitcoin Cash conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the BCH cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a really normal value level of $642.81. The normal extremely least value worth of Bitcoin Cash toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to generally be $609.84. Besides, BCH can, all things considered, arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $741.03 in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value figure Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash basically is truly anticipated to generally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $492.84, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $506.93 and a truly least of $445.91 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost explicitly is gauged to basically arrive at an all things considered least cost of $479.23 in a truly significant manner. The BCH cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest cost of $531.57 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $502.70. Bitcoin Cash BCH value conjecture May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash certainly is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $517.78, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $556.70 and at least $494.31, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin Cash BCH value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitcoin Cash in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $519.72 and $582.59 in a fundamentally significant manner, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $538.49, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash value expectation July 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash basically is in every sense anticipated to explicitly reach at an essentially least worth of $536.56 in July 2024, which fundamentally shows that BCH generally has a really all-out market cap of $8,866, $605, $411 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,287, $394, $318, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The BCH cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $609.52 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $563 all through 2024. So on the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Bitcoin Cash cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitcoin Cash especially be somewhat worth in 2024, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking? Bitcoin Cash value expectation August 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost is supposed to really reach between $558.97 to $631.92 in August 2024, while the kind of typical cost of BCH for the August basically remains around $582.43 BCH value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash especially is determined to basically be at around a sort of least worth of $570.61, or so they thought. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can sort of arrive at a limit of $661.04 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $594 in USD, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin Cash value expectation October 2024. Bitcoin Cash cost especially is supposed to in a real sense reach between $594.38 to $684.80 in October 2024, while the by and large normal cost of BCH for the October basically remains around $617.85 Bitcoin Cash BCH value estimate November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Bitcoin Cash in every way that really matters is explicitly anticipated to truly arrive at a typical cost of $630.20 while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $709.52 and a kind of least of $611.43. So Bitcoin Cash BCH value forecast April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Bitcoin Cash cost is figured to especially arrive at a very the least cost of $479.23. BCH value conjecture December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Bitcoin Cash is supposed to explicitly arrive at an all things considered least value worth of $619.34 in an in every way that really matters large way. The BCH cost could basically arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $741.03 with a typical cost around $642.81 in a by and large huge manner. Bitcoin Cash especially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been diminished by 331% in its ongoing worth in an exceptionally enormous manner. In the event that we fundamentally look at the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in a truly significant manner. From absolute most recent 7 days, the BCH by and large was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 68.34%, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Bitcoin